Hola guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog we're starting with Castel de Montjuïc. It's my second time going. First time we went in the evening and entry was closed. Look at the view. La Sagrada Familia, my favorite Tibidabo. W Hotel. Hey. Yeah. Inside there's like a museum and there's all the history about Castel de Montjuïc. If you love history, you should go there. At the moment, I didn't even know where we were going, so let's keep a little intrigue for you guys. While we were driving, we passed a cactus park. Wow. There was this very interesting tree here and all red dry leaves were lying on the floor. Who knows what kind of tree was that? Write in the comments.
A few moments later.
And we came to the yacht. Before going to the El Prat beach, we arrived at El Puerto de Barcelona, bought tickets, waited 15 minutes, and da-da-da-da. I really wanted to go on a yacht, but mine parked somewhere. I don't know where it's parked. Yes, it was really cool and I didn't expect that, so it was super fun. This is top 3 my favorite spots in Barcelona. First time when I came here, my phone was at 0, so I had to film everything on my system. That day was such a vibe and I just love these videos. You can watch the vlog from that day on my channel. The link will be in the description or somewhere on the screen, so after this video you can go watch it. This beach is super cool because you can swim and at the same time you can watch how planes take off and it's just the vibe. Oh my god, I like this beach so much, but it's still like it's not my favorite beach in Barcelona. There is my favorite beach in Barcelona. Maybe I'll show you in the next video. Subscribe. The sea on El Prat beach, the further you go, it doesn't get deeper, but you still need to be careful because there may be deep parts there, so watch out. And this is how we waited for the plane to take off to film a cute video. Thanks for watching my super fun vlog from Barcelona. If you like this video, subscribe on my channel, watch my others vlog from Barcelona, and write in the comments, have you been to Barcelona or do you want to go to Barcelona? I really recommend you going to Barcelona. I just love this city, and see you in my next video. Adios.